Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope this video finds you well. Today I am back again with a new topic of Ralph asset management tool, which we are going to install on the Linux Ubuntu operating system. Currently I am using a virtual box. In the virtual box I have created a virtual machine and installed Ubuntu operating system in it, and I have opened up the CLI of my virtual machine, and we are going to install this step by step. So I am going to follow this article thanks to the Computing for Geeks that they have provided the installation guidance and commands. So let's start with the installation. So I am going to skip these commands for the time being, and we are going to add Ralph repositories. We have to copy this command, and okay, we don't have the curl command installed in it. Curl package, sorry. So we are going to install it first. I have changed my user to the root user, and now I am going to install curl package. You have to enter y to proceed with, and it will take a while to install this curl package. It has been installed successfully. Now I am going to run this command again, and now we haven't get any error. Okay, after that the next command, and the next one. After that the last one command. Now we are going to install Ralph on Ubuntu. The update command will apply these repositories we have added in our virtual machine. After that we are going to install my SQL server, the database, Nginx, the web server, and the Ralph core, which will be our open source tool for asset management. It is a powerful asset management tool, DCIM and CMDB. What the features we have: keep track of assets, purchase, flexible flow system, data center, and back office support. DC virtualization built in available in it. As the updates has been completed, now we are going to run this next command, which will install MySQL Server, Nginx and Ralph core. Okay, we haven't find the Ralph core with the present repository, so we are going to skip with Ralph core and install MySQL Server and Nginx. It will download 30 MB of packages and installation will be 245 MB. Okay, right now our database MySQL Server and Nginx is installed successfully. Now we are going to install Ralph Cole. For the purpose, I have extracted some commands from the external sources that I will add in the video description as well. You have to run these commands one by one, as the Ralph Cole package is not available on the repositories we have added earlier. So now it has been saved successfully, and now the permission command we are going to run. After that we are going to install command for the installation purpose of Ralph. After that we are going to configure database of Ralph. The repository is set up and you can now install the package. So we are going to, during the installation of Ralph, a pop-up will appear. Use default database setting for Ralph. Use default database setting. So we are going to proceed with yes. Now the installation has been completed. Now we are going to access database server console. So I am going to type MySQL. I haven't typed this my sudo MySQL user root password because I haven't installed the database with secure installation. I have simply installed the database. So we are going to create the database. After that, user on the local host, that will be identified by this password. After that, permission to the user over the database. Now we have to flush the privileges and quit the database terminal. After that, if you have used separate password, I haven't changed anything. If you want to update the things, you have to edit this configuration file. Now you can identify that your username password is working. Yep, it's working fine. The Ralph user, Ralph underscore ng, and the password this. This is the confirmation that all this configuration done successfully. Now we are going to create the database schema. Okay, we have access denied for the user over the password. Okay, let's verify that the username password is the same as we have created here. Okay, our database host is fine, which is localhost, and the IP address port is the same, and the database password is changed. So I am going to replace the password and save this configuration file and run this command again. Okay, now the things have been started successfully. Okay, all the migration has been done and everything has been completed so far. After that, we have to create the Ralph super user. I am going to follow the same instruction. I am going to create user admin, and email address will be example. What will be the password? We are going to use the same password we have used earlier. Super user created successfully. Now optionally populate the database with some data. I'm going to skip this step. You guys can run this command. When done, start Ralph service. We are going to start the services now. All done. Now we are going to enable the service. After that, you have to start the service. It has been started. You can check with the status. It is active and running. So far, we have checked that the services should be listening on the port. This I have already disabled the firewall, so I am not going to edit this port configuration. After that, you have to configure Nginx proxy to access the RAL dashboard through Nginx proxy where SSL can be terminated. You have to create this Nginx configuration file. This is the newly created file. We are going to copy this and the server name will be Ubuntu, because this is our server name. After that, you have to restart the Nginx service. Now try to access the server. As you can see, we have successfully installed Ralph 3 DCIM and ACID management system. Now you have to log in with the user admin, which is our super user, and the password is this. Click on the login button. This is how you can easily install Ralph Asset Management tool in your premises, either it's a physical server or the virtual box and in the virtual machine. Hope you guys understood this installation guide very well. Please support me and my channel. Please like, subscribe and share my channel with your friends, colleagues and students. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.